welcome. Here I will show you how to measure the execution time of your code. The first one is tick-tock, which you write a tick before the parts of code you want to measure. I want to measure this part and talk after that. Let's press run. We wait, MATLAB is busy. Now it is. It's 5.8 seconds. Let's go to the second method. It's using timeit. Timeit is for functions and it's the most accurate one. We want to measure this one and we use magic of 15,000 elements. Okay, let's run it. It's busy. Wait. If you want to measure a part of code, you can use tick-tock. But if you want to measure it more accurate, you have to use timeit. It takes more time, but it's accurate. Let's wait. Now it is. It's 6.7. Let's go to the third one. It's CPU time, which measures the time CPU takes long for our function. For example, I want to calculate the same part of code. CPU time saves the current time and the next one I run it, it's the next current time. And we subtract the two of these and display it. Let's start. It's 7. Um, if you want to know more about this measurements, here's a link at the top of this video. You can click and go to MATLAB's official website. Thank you.